To use our dark spot eraser brightening mask, start with a clean face. Activate the botanicals by mixing the mask. You'll see it transforms into a soft jelly. Take 1 scoop with our glow stick and place it in the palm of your hand. From this, apply a thick layer to your face and neck, and any areas that suffer from dark spots and need a little brightening, like the back of your hands. As you let the mask sit and do its magic, you'll feel it starts to lift and tighten as it firms up. After 15 to 30 minutes, rinse the mask off with warm water using a circular motion. You'll see a glowing complexion and a new brightness and energy. I recommend using dark spot eraser for 3 nights straight, then continuing for 1 to 3 nights a week if you have light spots. If you suffer with darker spots, continue using it 3 to 5 times a week. The more you use it, you'll see your spots and discoloration fade away. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.